A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science, exercises, set 7a. I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
What is the variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material? Letter A, peat. Letter B, lignite. Letter C, bitumen. Letter D, anthracite. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, peat. The variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is peat. Peat, also known as turf, is an accumulation of partially decayed vegetation or organic matter. It is different from natural areas called peatlands, bogs, mires, moors, or muskegs. What is the lead use of tetraethyl? Letter A, painkiller. Letter B, petrol additive. Letter C, fire extinguisher. Letter D, mosquito repellent. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, petrol additive. The lead uses of tetraethyl is a petrol additive. Tetraethyl-lead is an organo-lead compound with the formula CH3CH2, 4Pb. It is a petrofuel additive, first mixed with gasoline beginning in the 1920s. It was patented as an octane rating booster that allowed engine compression raises substantially. Which of the following choices used as a lubricant? Letter A, silica. Letter B, graphite. Letter C, diamond. Letter D, iron oxide. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, graphite. Among the following choices, graphite uses as a lubricant. Graphite, archaically attributed to plumbago, is a crystalline form of the element carbon with its atoms organized in a hexagonal structure. It occurs naturally in this form and is the most stable form of carbon under standard conditions. It is used in pencils and lubricants. What is the equivalent of 1 joule? Letter A, 10 to the cube ergs. Letter B, 10 to the 5th ergs. Letter C, 10 to the 7th ergs. Letter D, 10 to the 11th ergs. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, 10 to the 7th ergs. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the 7th ergs. A joule is a derived unit of energy in the International System of Units. It is equivalent to the energy transferred to an object when a force of 1 Newton acts on that object in the direction of the force's motion through a distance of 1 meter. What kilowatt measure? Letter A, work. Letter B power. Letter C current. Letter D electricity. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B power. Kilowatt is a unit to measure power. A kilowatt is just a measure of how much power an electric appliance consumes. It's 1000 watts to be exact. You can quickly convert watts, W, to kilowatts, kW, by diving your wattage by 1000, 1,000 W 1000 equals 1 kilowatt. What measures an electric current? Letter A ammeter. Letter B voltmeter. Letter C commutator. Letter D anemometer. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A ammeter. Electric current is measured by ammeter. An ammeter is a measuring device used to measure the current in a circuit. Electric currents measures in amperes, hence the name. The ammeter is normally connected in series with the circuit in which the current is to be measured. What is the isotope of uranium capable of sustaining chain reaction? Letter A U-235. Letter B U-238. Letter C U-239. Letter D U-245. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A U-235. The isotope of uranium capable of sustaining chain reaction is U-235. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that contain an equal number of protons but a different number of neutrons. Despite having varying numbers of neutrons, isotopes of the same element have very similar physical properties. What estimates the age of most ancient geological formations? Letter A C14 method. Letter B RASI method. Letter C uranium-lead method. Letter D potassium-argon method. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter C uranium-lead method. The age of most ancient geological formations is estimated by the uranium-lead method. The uranium-lead method is one of the oldest and most refined of the radiometric dating schemes. It used to date rocks formed and crystallized from about 1 million years to over 4.5 billion years ago with routine precisions in the 0.1 to 1% range. Who implied that most of the mass of the atom located in the nucleus? Letter A Bohr. Letter B Einstein. Letter C Rutherford. Letter D Thomson. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter C Rutherford. The one implied that most of the mass of the atom located in the nucleus is Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford, 1st Baron Rutherford of Nelson, OM, FRS, Hon FRSE was a New Zealand-born British physicist who happened to be identified as the father of nuclear physics. Encyclopaedia Britannica considers him to be the best experimentalist since Michael Faraday. What implies the soaps? Letter A salts of silicates. Letter B esters of heavy fatty acids. Letter C A mixture of glycerol and alcohols. Letter D. Sodium or potassium salts of heavier fatty acids. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter D. Sodium or potassium salts of heavier fatty acids. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of heavier fatty acids. Soap is a salt of a fatty acid used in a type of cleansing and lubricating products. In a domestic setting, soaps are surfactants usually used for washing, bathing, etc. How does regular salt help in separating soap from the solution after saponification? Letter A. By increasing density of soap. Letter B. By decreasing density of soap. Letter C. By increasing solubility of soap. Letter D. By decreasing solubility of soap. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter D. By decreasing solubility of soap. The regular salt help in separating soap from the solution after saponification by decreasing solubility of soap. Soaps are unique compounds that contain a small polar end, known as the polar head, and a long nonpolar tail. The two different parts of the molecule, a soap molecule is soluble in water and at the same time can dissolve fats. What heated the natural rubber in the process of vulcanization? Letter A. Sulfur. Letter B. Silicon. Letter C. Carbon. Letter D. Phosphorus. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter A. Sulfur. In vulcanization, natural rubber is heated with sulfur. Vulcanization is a range of methods for hardening rubbers. The term originally referred exclusively to the treatment of natural rubber with sulfur, which remains the most usual practice. It has also grown to include the hardening of other rubbers via various means.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science, exercises, set 7a. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.